Hi, my name's John Armstrong. I'm a super affiliate and a 7-figure earner. Now behind me, I have the invisible man, who I'm going to uncover in just a minute, so stay tuned for the shock of your life. Now this invisible guy is also a super affiliate, and he's been crushing leaderboards recently, making thousands of dollars per day. We're currently in Thailand, where he lives permanently and he travels around here. Now inside the course, he's going to show you exactly what he's doing in his business to create a life of freedom and abundance from his laptop. Now first, before we get into that, let's have a few words with the invisible guy and see what he's been doing. Okay, invisible super affiliate dude, could you show us through some of your most recent campaigns?
Okay. Here are the stats of campaign number 1. The product I promoted is named Cartel, that has been recently launched by Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mays on Warrior Plus platform. So if you see the stats here, that I have generated around 5,000 clicks, and that generated 360 sales with approximately 7% conversions, and that made me over $14,000 in commissions. So these are the stats of campaign number 1.
Okay, so that was campaign number 1, and now I'm going to show you campaign number 2. Follow me. Campaign number 2 now.
Here are the stats of my second campaign. The product I promoted is called CB Money Wine VIP, and here you can see this is the product hosted on Warrior Plus platform and launched by Tom E. and Brian Winters. So if I go to my stats page, you can see I have generated around 4,000 clicks. That brings 285 sales with over 7.1% conversions, and that generated around $6,000 in commissions. So these are the stats of my second campaign.
So that was campaign number 2. Now campaign number 3.
Here are the stats of campaign number 3, where I promoted a product called Enigma, recently launched by Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mays on the Warrior Plus platform. If you see my stats here, I have generated around 4,000 clicks with 400 sales and almost 10% conversions, and that made me $7,144 in commissions. So these are the stats of my campaign number 3.
Okay, now that you've seen his results and he's proved himself as a Class A super affiliate, let's unveil him so you can see who he really is. What's your name?
My name is Zishan.
And where do you come from originally?
I come from Pakistan.
Is English your first or your second language?
My second language.
Zishan is a non-native speaker of English, yet he's able to make thousands of dollars a day without making videos. In fact, his subscribers don't even know who he really is because he uses a pen name when he does his campaigns. When I heard about Zishan's invisible method and I'd seen the evidence of him crushing mine and Brendan's leaderboards, I asked him if he could launch this product with us, because I knew that this is something that you guys absolutely have to see, and I knew that you would be interested in learning how to create a life of abundance while remaining invisible. You see, myself and Zishan, we have a very different approach to marketing. I like to create videos and put myself out there, whereas Zishan doesn't. And I know for a fact that many of you don't want to put yourselves out there either, which makes this course a perfect solution for those of you who don't want to put your face on camera, who are not confident on camera, or you're a speaker of a second language apart from English and you're not confident with your writing or your grammar skills. So Zishan, could you give a quick overview of the method?
Okay, so first I select a product which I want to promote. Once I selected the product, I use other people's traffic to promote it and make some initial money. Once I make some initial money, I purchase the reseller rights of the product and scale that product with my secret traffic source.
That's so cool. How many times have you done this?
I've done this a couple of times, and with your products and other people's products. So it's, I can say I have done it a couple of times, and it's a phenomenal strategy that works for me every single time.
That's really awesome. So what's inside of Invisible?
Invisible, we have a training that shows people how to implement that method from A to Z, and also it comes with a software that do most of the work for you.
Now there's no excuse anymore to not making some good money online. Make money regardless of your native language while remaining anonymous and invisible.
If I can do this, you can do this too. The method is super simple and money starts coming in fast. Once you have systems set up, you can start.
We also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if after 30 days you haven't made any money with Zishan's invisible method, simply send us an email and we'll refund your money in full. It's time for you to start making some good money online. Click the button down below to get started.